Auto mask is one of my favorite features inside of the develop module of Lightroom. It's great because it lets you stay in between the line, but it's resource intensive. It makes Lightroom slow down even more. It could also slow you down because now you're sort of trained to go to the auto mask sort of setting and turn it on. I've got a trick for you coming up. Hey, this is Scott Wyden-Kivowitz, a storyteller with a camera talking about all the things photographers like you and I are thinking about. In this video, we're going to be talking about a faster, more efficient way to use auto mask when you're doing brush adjustments, local adjustments inside of Adobe Lightroom. So here we are inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic CC, and I'm in the develop module and I want to go ahead and do some brushing. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of lightening up on the edges of the boy's face. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just get my brush the right size. And I'm going to go ahead and you can see that I have auto mask on. So I'm going to turn that off. Now, when you have auto mask turned on, it already slows Lightroom down just a little bit, but Lightroom's already slow. So why would you want to slow it down more? So what I'm going to show you is a way to be more efficient with the auto mask, and you can turn it on and off as you need it. So I'm going to just reset all these settings, and I'm going to leave them all flat for the time being. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the show selected mask overlay, and instead of just doing that with the clicking here, I'm going to hit O, and that's going to do that. And what that's going to do is you're going to start seeing that red mask right there. You can see if I hit O, it's on or off. Okay, I'm going to delete that, and we're going to start again. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to start brushing, and I'm going to start brushing sort of like this. And you can see that I'm getting close to the edge, but not too close to the edge. And I'm just doing it something like that, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the Command key and start brushing. If I get close to the edge without holding that, you'll see that it starts to bleed outside of his face. Let's undo that. But if I hold the Alt key, which is also Command, and I start brushing, you'll see that it actually stays within his head. Wherever I am using the crosshairs is where it's staying. And that's the same feature as the auto mask. But as you can see, auto mask is turned off. So all that's doing is it's temporarily turning on auto mask without me having to go ahead and click here. And again, all I'm doing is hitting the Alt or Command key in order to go ahead and do that sort of temporary auto mask inside of Lightroom's develop module. Now from here I can turn off the overlay and I can go ahead and I can lighten up these edges. I can do whatever I want to do, add more contrast and clarity to it and so on. And then the photo is ready. That's all I had to do. Again, when you're doing the brush, you hold down the Alt or the Command key and it temporarily will turn on the auto mask. Now you're not going to see it being done. You won't see the auto mask turn on, but know that it's there. And you can test it by turning on that overlay and you'll see when you go to the edges, I'll do it right here too. If I go to here, it's going over, but if I undo that and I hold down the Alt and then go, it's going to stay within the blue because my crosshairs are in the blue. Neat, right? So there you have it, a really cool tip inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic CC. I hope that you dig this. If you like this video, click that subscribe button below now. I publish new videos every Monday and Thursday. You don't want to miss it. So yeah, click that subscribe button.